Hello, everybody. It is 4:30, and I am just now picking up the camera. I am having, I'm having one of those days, those really, really, really bad days. Yesterday, I was super productive. I had a wonderful day. I even went shopping. You all seen. Today, I woke up with really good intentions, and I had the worst migraine in the whole world, and I still have it. I don't know exactly what is causing my migraines, but I'm tired of them enough that I am going to break down and make a doctor's appointment to see what I can do about it, because I used to get migraines, and I could take Excedrin migraine and it nipped it in the bud. And now I get them, and it does not help anything. It does dull it a little bit, but it doesn't completely go away. Then when I thought that was bad, I was in the kitchen trying to scurry up me and Ronnie's lunch, and I cut the tip of my pinky off. And it's not enough to go to the hospital, but it took me a long time to get it to stop bleeding. And you can't very well vlog when you're bleeding out of your hand. I have a sink full of dishes. I have a chair full of clean laundry downstairs, all of which needs to be taken care of. And we also have the gospel broadcast tonight that my husband does, and I am supposed to be emceeing it this evening. I am prepared, and I do have everything to do it, but I feel like mud. And I'm not sure what all of my fellow viewers here on my YouTube channel is actually going to see for VEDA 19. But I did want to try to get something out to everybody. I am extremely frustrated today. My anxiety level is through the roof, and I just don't feel good. And no, I don't have COVID. I just have really bad migraine. I am due to get my second shot this Thursday. I'm getting my booster of my Pfizer booster. Not looking forward to that, because the first shot made me pretty yucky. But I am going to bite the bullet and get that. So you guys keep me in your thoughts. Then when I didn't think that I could do anything else to myself today, just so you guys know, I dropped my Apple iPhones into my drink. And so yeah, it's one of those days. Anyhow, I am going to lay down here. As you can see, I'm upstairs in my bedroom. And I just told Ronnie, I said, I know I have a lot to do, but I said, I just want to take 20 minutes and just go upstairs and lay down. So I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes. If I get up before then, I get up before then. My finger literally has a heartbeat in it, and it hurts so bad, so bad. I even tried putting ice on my hand because I was trying to dull it. It didn't really help. Anyhow, I am going to lay here for a little while, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I have more than just this to share with you guys for tomorrow. Hello, everybody. We just got done filming the gospel broadcast that my baby and I do every Monday now.
And we will love it. I'll tell you what, this was a special one. So click on over to Ronnie Kinser, Facebook.
On Facebook.
Kinser.
And it's live. Sorry, I have to scratch my nose here. I think I'm going over to my in-laws here in a minute to get some more Band-Aids, because I cut the old tip of my finger off. But I did manage to pull myself together and actually get dressed for tonight's broadcast and put some makeup on and look like a human being. Anyways, tonight's broadcast, we wish my mom a very happy birthday because tomorrow is her birthday when this video goes out. So, Mom, if you're watching my YouTube videos like you always do,
very happy birthday.
So we are going to probably sit here for a little bit and relax, and then we're going to go over and see his mom and dad. Good morning, everybody. It is actually, this is going to go with my VEDA Day 19. I hope that you guys are doing well. I did not have much filmed for VEDA 19, so this is going to probably be the shortest video ever known to man. I had a very bad day yesterday, as you guys know already by watching this video. It is the next day. I finally got over my really bad migraine. I'm in a much better place this morning. My finger is very, very sore. Very sore, which is probably what would happen if you cut the tip of your finger off, right? Anyhow, but I did not want to get a video out today to you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for your comments on yesterday's video. A lot of them were so super sweet. I also wanted to say that the church that was featured in that video is an historical church. If you're interested in this kind of thing. It's one of the oldest churches in our area. It was actually destroyed in the Civil War, and it was rebuilt on the original stone. And it's actually really beautiful. It's on a street in the Guyan Dot, which is here in Huntington, West Virginia. There are some historical Civil War homes, hospital. So it is really neat here. There's a lot to kind of take in if you like sort of down home history. So that is what we got a lot of here. You guys comment a lot on my on the street in front of my house. Yes, it's very old. My house was built in 1906, so it is historical as well. So yeah, so that is that. But I wanted to come in here and say that if you're new to my channel, I apologize that this was not very riveting of a video, but I do want to stick with my VEDA, and as soon as I'm done editing this and getting this out to you all, I will begin to film day 20. And today is my mother's birthday, and so I hope that she has a very wonderful day today. I am going to actually go, it is 8 a.m. Ronnie is going to go to the gym today, and I am going to get a lot of much needed things done around here and get things situated. I didn't want to get in a pool with this today, so I'm going to stay home while he goes. We are due to get a couple inches of snow tomorrow. Yes, you heard right, snow. So I don't know if we'll actually be doing anything or going anywhere tomorrow. We're always doing things, but I don't know if we will be going somewhere tomorrow. The gym is in the plans, but if it's going to snow, more than likely no. I may try to make a run to the grocery store tomorrow before it snows, just to get a few things. We're out of milk and stuff, so nothing big. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I promise that my content isn't always this short and ridiculous, but I just had a very unfortunate day yesterday, but we had a very lovely evening. We went over to my mother-in-law's. She made us a sandwich and something to drink, and I think she really felt sorry for me because I think Ronnie told her, said, my wife has had it today. And I hate days like that, but we all have them, right? And so, anyhow, it is good to have family close by and when you're having a bad day. So, yesterday was my bad day. Keep your fingers crossed. Today is not a bad day, and I'm very productive, and I get things done. But thanks so much for watching. You have a very blessed day yourselves. Bye, guys.